Okay, now let's take a look at a few sample problems on caches. So in this problem, we'll try to understand the difference between a byte addressable ISA versus a word addressable ISA. So in this case, the problem says the ISA is word addressable, different from the problems in caches that we have talked about so far. And the cache is a fully associative cache of size 64 kilobytes, and the block size is 32 bytes, not words, 32 bytes. The question asks you to determine the size of the block offset and tag. So now let's think about the block. So we are given that it is of size 32 bytes. Now for a byte addressable ISA, I would say there are 32 different addressees that can refer to this block, right? But in the case of a word addressable ISA, we'll have to first think about how many words are there in this block. So in a 32-bit word addressable ISA, it's assumed that the word is 32 bits, which is 4 bytes. So if a word is 4 bytes, then how many words do I have in this block? Cache block, 32 by 4, so that will be 8 words. So if there are 8 words in a block, that means I need 3 bits in my address to index into that block. So my block offset is going to be of size 3 bits. The total size of my address is 32 bits. Now I need to figure out how many bits do I need for my set index. Set index, it depends on the number of sets in the cache. For a fully associative cache, the number of sets is always 1. And if I have only one set, I don't need an index to figure out which set I can store my cache block in. So you don't have a set index as part of your address. So we have already calculated the block offset, which is 3 bits. So the remaining is going to be the tag. And so 32 minus 3, so 29 bits are for tag. So the size of block offset is 3, and the tag size is 29 bits.